That is super good. I'm very pleased with myself. .7/16 steel. Perfect medicine for spruce grouse. Well, I got about probably 3,000 there. We're good for the season at least. All right, let's head out. One of my favorite things about fall hunts is coming across stuff like this. Delicious blueberries just along the path. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. That's a very healthy plant. Oh, there's quite a few around. I'll get back to you when my mouth is blue. Man, that was close. Man, I'm really gonna have to thread the needle on this guy. Hey, wait. 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 Get him. Good boy. Find him? You got him. Good boy. Leave it. Hey. Good doggy. Hey, good doggy. All right, we got us a birdie, buddy. Good boy. Well, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Nice grouse with the assist from good old Salty Dog. Fucking branch. Oh, there we go. Game over. Good boy, Salty. Good boy. Headshot. Drilled him. Threaded the needle. That's the most exciting stuff. What a good dog. Look at you just holding him. Yep, you can chew some feathers off, but don't damage no meat, buddy. Good boy, Salty. Good boy. Yeah. That's another nice one. You're on a roll, Salty boy. You're on a roll. Look at that bird. That's a beautiful bird. Hit him right. Oh no, it looks like I hit him right there in the neck. A little bit. Yeah, he's bleeding out. Good deal. Two birds. We may have to do a catch and cook. Let's see if we can't get some mushrooms and maybe another bird, and we'll have a proper feast. This used to be a Daisy B52. I put a birch burrow handle on it, just routed out some grooves and shaped my handle up and slid the wire in there. Cut the wires off, folded them back over so you get a much lower profile, less torque on the wrist, easier to grip. Bent it to my desired dimensions of 4 inches, which is all my slingshots, and then put some bands on it. These are the original Daisy bands or tubes, and I just slid them down over the frame and then rolled them back, put my bands on, and rolled them back over the top of the bands so that they hold real good. Man, I love it when things come together like this. Good job, Salty Boy. There's another good saffron milk cap, Lactarius deliciosus. I don't know, it sounds like a Harry Potter spell, but you get the idea. Lactarius meaning milk, right? Same Latin root as lactate and lactose. You can see they're orange. And underneath here, orange stock, orange gills. Oh, that's a nice one. Good look at the gills. Mangled that one. That one's pretty good though. Alright, let's get an ingredient list. 2 very fresh birds. Slingshot. A handful of saffron milk caps. And 1 delicious Fairweather IPA Alaska beverage. Alright, we got our fire going. We got our grill. Let's go clean a bird. Gotta love a gullet full of blueberries. It's gonna be a tasty, tasty bird. But here's our weapon of choice for the day. We have our grouse breast meat. We have gizzards and hearts. Seasoning of choice. And our saffron milk caps that we picked up on the trail today. Put it on the skillet. That skillet's got some lard in there. It's already good and hot. And we'll get it rolling. Alright, there we go. There's our skillet. That's delightful. Catch you guys in a few. There we go. Sauteed grouse breasts and saffron milk caps. See how it turns the drippings orange? That makes a nice gravy. I'm going to eat dinner now. Have a great day. Alright, so a couple of keys is you want to cook your grouse breast about like that. That's about as rare as you can get away with without making yourself sick.
With these milk caps, they'll fry up good and crispy, but you need to keep them out of their own drippings because they'll reabsorb that and get real soft on you. Make sure you cook your mushrooms thoroughly. You don't want to eat raw mushrooms, although